Well, my name is Ubaldo and I work for Staley Grove Management. Before the drone, on our citrus sprays, we're using tractors and helicopters. As we took on more wine grape production, we were using the backpack blower sprayers. So that you carry a 4.5 gallon backpack on your back and climb the hills.
Well, switching from the DJI Actors T30 now onto the T60X from the upgrade, what would you say is the big difference that you've noticed between the two drones in your day-to-day work?
The big difference between the T30 and the T60, the better terrain following on the T60, the capacity that it has to hold material and cover more ground.
What do you enjoy most about being a spray drone operator?
I just enjoy being outdoors and working with agriculture, and if we can employ technology to improve our operations, I enjoy the outdoors and playing with new technology.
Previously, before this, did you have any drone knowledge or any agricultural knowledge before getting into the spray drone business?
Yes. So before I started the drone business, I already worked in agriculture with the pesticide and fertilizer applications. So my experience was with tractors and ground equipment, and the drone, it was just an upgrade in our equipment fleet.
What advice would you give to other operators thinking about upgrading their drones?
For operators looking to upgrade that have already worked with previous agricultural drones, I would say good investment if you're trying to become more efficient and have more safety features on your drone.